ये हॉस्टल का ग्राउंड फ्लोर है और यहाँ पे किचन है जहाँ पे डाइनिंग टेबल्स एंड चेयर्स लगे हुए हैं। और अगर आपको अपना खुद का खाना गरम करना है तो फिर उसके लिए यहाँ पे 2 माइक्रोवेव्स है, साथ में क्रॉकरी भी रखी हुई है, वाटर केटल है, इंडक्शन कुकटॉप भी है, साथ में पैन है, 2 इंडक्शन कुकटॉप है, चिमनी है और डिश वॉशर ड्रेनर भी है। कुछ बर्तन है, सोप है, मतलब कि डिश वॉशिंग लिक्विड है, 2 सिंक है। यहाँ पे टिश्यू रोल भी है ऊपर की तरफ और वापस से वाटर ड्रेनिंग डिश रैक है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं। फिर ये हॉस्टल के ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ही ब्रेकफास्ट रूम है। तो यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए लोग ने अरेंजमेंट करके पूरे चेयर्स एंड टेबल्स रखे हुए हैं और ब्रेकफास्ट मॉर्निंग में सर्व होता है 7:30 से 10:30 के बीच में ही। उसके पहले नहीं मिलता है। अगर आपको टेक अवे चाहिए तो आपको टेक अवे ब्रेकफास्ट भी मिल जाता है। तो ये बार्सिलोना का यूथ हॉस्टल है और इस हॉस्टल में there are like 3 floors and all the 3 floors have the hostel rooms only. On the last floor there's a laundry and my room is located on the first floor. So far the interiors of the hostel looks pretty good to me, neat, clean and magical. And this is my room where I'm staying, and the door opens with the card. So I will take you around and show you the room. So when you enter, on the right hand side there is bathroom. So when you enter, on the right hand side there's bathroom in the sense there's just the toilet over here. Okay, so this is the toilet here. This is just the toilet. I close the toilet door because I don't want any negative vibe coming out of it. Then on the left hand side, when you enter the room, or you can say opposite the toilet, there is a bathroom. So this is it, how it looks. This is a wash basin. And then what else is here? Behind the door they have a rack for hanging your towels and your clothes. And here there's the door with the shower area. There's also some space for keeping soaps and shampoos and body wash. Then this is the room. In this room there are 6 beds. No, there are not 6 beds. There are 8 beds. I'm sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So yeah, the lower bed belongs to me, and I've just arrived in the room. And what is there? Yeah, they have a plug point. They have a light also, which I have not switched on and seen whether it really works or I have to complain to them. Okay. So the light is working. This is the switch of it, and you also have the socket. They have given me the bed sheet now. Yeah, but that is included in the room rent. Then below the bed, you have a locker over here. This is the locker. The locker is also quite huge enough. It's a box kind of a locker. And I guess this is the locking system. Okay. Which I really don't want to use it. I think if you twist it, it should work. Okay, so here there is a lock and I can open from here, but I will not use the locker. I really don't need it. Then there are two more bunk beds over here, and every bunk bed has a overhead light and a socket. Then here there is a window. Yep, this is a window. And then two more bunk beds here and two more over here. So in total there are 8 bunk beds. This is the room. The entire room looks like this. And from the hostel I got a breakfast coupon, and they had written the date wrong, so I asked them to change the date. So this is the breakfast coupon which I have to present to them when I have my breakfast. That's it. So when I check out, I have to return to them the pillow cover, bed sheet, and the bed cover. 3 things. So I hope you liked my video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to share my video with your family and your friends and your groups. Till then, take care. See you soon with my next video.